Want to read minds without words? 10 body language secrets reveal what people really think. Stay to the end for the game changer. Ready? In 7 minutes, you'll learn practical cues people broadcast every day. We'll show real examples, quick tests, and simple ways to apply them. Use these insights to understand others and communicate clearly. Context first, compassion always. We start at 10 and count down to the most powerful cue. We often misread signals or chase catchy myths. You've heard, most communication is nonverbal. That claim is usually misused. It only fits narrow situations where words and tone conflict. So treat bold statistics with caution. Real skill comes from reading patterns, timing, and context. Number 10. One gesture proves nothing. Look for clusters over time, not a single twitch. A shift in posture plus a tight jaw and clipped answers is meaningful. One crossed arm by itself is not a verdict. Establish a baseline for the person and the situation. Ask yourself whether the room is cold, noisy, or stressful. Good readers stack cues before drawing conclusions. Number 9. Comfortable eye contact has a sweet spot around a few seconds. Hold, then glance away briefly and reconnect. Too long feels intense. Too short looks evasive or disengaged. Cultural norms and personality matter, so calibrate to the person. When in doubt, mirror a natural rhythm. Connect, release, reconnect. Let your eyes reflect interest, not interrogation. Number 8. Subtle mirroring builds rapport. Match posture, tempo, and general energy without copying. If they lean forward, you lean a little. If they speak slowly, ease your pace. Mirroring signals, we're aligned on a subconscious level. Overdo it and it feels mocking. Keep it light, delayed, and respectful. Number 7. Spot a genuine smile by the eyes. Real joy activates the muscles around the eyes and lifts the cheeks. The corners of the mouth rise with a slight crinkle at the outer eyes. Polite smiles use mostly the lips and appear, then vanish too cleanly. Genuine smiles arrive smoothly and fade naturally. Watch for symmetry and timing to separate warm from wooden. Number 6. Looking away can simply mean thinking. People often break eye contact to retrieve a memory or form a response. Gaze aversion lowers mental load for complex tasks. Don't label that as lying by itself. Combine it with speech content, pauses, and posture before you judge. If someone looks away, give them a beat and let them finish. Clarity often returns with the thought. Quick quiz. Do you mirror naturally or overthink it? Comment mirror if you've noticed it today. Keep going. Number 1 is the cue that ties everything together. Number 5. Use purposeful hand gestures to boost clarity and credibility. Keep your hands visible to reduce perceived threat. Gesture when listing points, framing contrasts, or showing size and movement. Synchronize hands with key words to underline ideas. Gestures help listeners encode information and help you speak more fluently. Avoid frantic chopping or pointing at people. Think clear, open, and aligned with your message. Number 4. Crossed arms can signal discomfort or defensiveness, yet context matters. In some tasks, that posture even increases persistence and focus. Before you judge, scan the rest of the body. Are the shoulders relaxed or raised? Is the face tense or calm? Are they cold or lacking space? One pose is a clue, not a conclusion. Number 3. Pupils respond to arousal and mental effort. They also change with light, distance, and even screen brightness. If you suspect interest, check the lighting first. Compare moments within the same environment for a truer read. A quick dilation during an emotional topic can be informative, but treat pupils as one data point among many. Never use them as a lie detector. Number 2. Blink patterns track load more than honesty. During intense focus, blinks often drop. Right after the task, a short burst of blinks appears as tension releases. Screens, dry air, contacts, and fatigue also change blink rate. So consider environment and timing. In an interview, fewer blinks during a hard question can mean deep processing. Wait for the rebound when the pressure falls. Number 1. Congruence is king. When words, tone, and body match, the message lands cleanly. When they don't, the body usually tells the truth of the feeling. I'm fine, with tight lips, averted torso, and a forced smile is not fine. Treat mismatches as useful signals to clarify, not to accuse. You can ask gentle questions. Try, I'm hearing yes, but I'm sensing hesitation. What's on your mind? Look for harmony across face, voice, hands, and posture. You now know 10 cues you can use today. Start with clusters, not single tells. Aim for natural eye contact and gentle mirroring. Distinguish genuine smiles from polite ones. Allow thinking glances without assuming guilt. Use clear gestures and read crossed arms in context. Check pupils with the light in mind. Watch blink patterns for effort and release. Above all, follow congruence. Which cue surprised you most, and where will you try it this week? Comment your top takeaway and a real-life situation to test it. Save this for your next negotiation, interview, or first meeting. Share it with a friend who loves psychology. Subscribe for more practical communication tools every week.